everyone. Let's talk about trends that we're seeing in the marketplace this year on what designers are doing. So one of the first trends is it is now kosher to mix metals. So you can do black and gold or gold and bronze or bronze and black, but you're seeing a lot of mixed metals this year, and you'll probably start to see that trend carry through in the new homes as well as you go to view them. Now, a second trend that you're starting to see, and I'm sure you're going to see it in new homes, is wallpaper is back. People want texture, they want some personality, they want some boldness, and we've seen such stark backgrounds of white or gray for the last few years. I think it's going to be fabulous to see some of this trending come around with not just color, which we've seen creep in probably over the last year, but also some in tile work, in wallpaper coverings. I know I just bought wallpaper for my house, and I'm doing a wall in there because I'm tired of just paint. And I'm pretty excited about putting it up and give some depth to a room. Now, I'm not wallpapering the whole room, but I am gonna wallpaper one wall. The third trend that I'm seeing is large windows. Windows that actually look out onto greenery too. So you're seeing a lot of people put up some kind of privacy or fencing and greenery to grow on it for the large window to look out into. When you don't have views and you have close neighbors, that is a great way to give yourself more of a nature feel out that big window. And last but not least, being eco-friendly and tech-friendly is what's trending this year. So really being conscientious of our surroundings and materials, and then of course, being able to snap your fingers or use your voice, or having whole house control systems is what's in. So I hope you see some of this as you're out and about, or if you're looking to remodel, do some research, because this is what's in this year. Thanks for joining me. I'm Missy Stegers, broker owner of M. Stegers Realty Partners and team leader of the Missy Stegers team.